अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। इस वीडियो में हम 10th क्लास के रियल नंबर्स के ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस है बिट्स के बारे में मालूमात हासिल करेंगे। आइए सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। सेट ऑफ नंबर्स 1 2 3 4 5 डैश इज कॉल्ड। सो एज यू नो दीज नंबर्स बिलोंग्स टू नेचुरल नंबर्स। नेचुरल नंबर्स जो है 1 से स्टार्ट होते हैं और इंफिनिटी नंबर्स दे आर सेड टू बी एज नेचुरल नंबर्स। सो द राइट आंसर इज नेचुरल नंबर्स। आंसर इज बी। द सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज सेट ऑफ नंबर्स starting with 1 2 3 4 and so on is called. So these numbers 0 1 2 3 4 5, so these numbers are called to be as whole numbers. Whole numbers 0 से start होते हैं, जबकि जो है natural numbers 1 से start होते हैं यहाँ पे। So the right answer is C, whole numbers. Question number 3, set of numbers 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 and plus or minus 3 and dash is called. So integers एक ऐसे numbers है जिसमें 0 के अलावा positive numbers और negative numbers होते हैं, यानी इंटीजर्स में 0 प्लस आर माइनस 1 प्लस आर माइनस 2 प्लस आर माइनस 3 ऐसे जो है नंबर्स होते हैं। सो द राइट आंसर इज इंटीजर्स डी। आइए अब देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। सेट ऑफ रेशनल एंड इरेशनल नंबर्स इज कॉल्ड। एज यू नो रियल नंबर्स कंसिस्ट ऑफ रेशनल नंबर्स एंड इरेशनल नंबर्स। सो द राइट आंसर इज रियल नंबर्स। जबकि जो है नेचुरल नंबर्स 1 से स्टार्ट होते हैं और होल नंबर्स 0 से स्टार्ट होते हैं और इंटीजर्स में 0 पॉजिटिव नंबर्स और नेगेटिव नंबर्स होते हैं। इसलिए जो राइट आंसर है वो राइट आंसर है रियल नंबर्स। Option is A. Next question number 5. We can express in the form of P by Q where Q does not is equal to 0. So P by Q forms के जो numbers है वो numbers जो है rational numbers जो है कहलाते हैं। यहाँ पे real numbers में दो टाइप के numbers होते हैं, दो तरह के जो है numbers होते हैं, एक rational numbers और एक irrational numbers. So जो P by Q में जिसको जो है हम express कर सकते हैं उसे rational numbers कहते हैं और जिसे P by Q में जो है express नहीं कर सकते उसको irrational numbers कहते हैं। So the right answer is rational numbers. Option is A. Question number 6. We cannot express in the form of P by Q. So the right answer is irrational numbers. So P by Q form में जिसको express करते हैं वो rational numbers कहलाते हैं और जिनको express नहीं कर सकते यानी P by Q form में express नहीं कर सकते वैसे number जो है irrational numbers कहलाते हैं। So the right answer is B, irrational numbers. और next question is question number 7. Root 2, root 3, root 5 are called. So root 2, root 3, root 5 irrational numbers है। So the right answer is B. In question number 8, 5 by 6, 6 by 7 and 1 by 2 are. So these numbers are like P by Q form. So ये numbers क्या है यहाँ पे rational numbers है, तो rational numbers belongs to real numbers. So the right answer is real numbers. Question number 9. Find the rational number in between 1 by 2 and root 1. As you know the value of root 1 is 1 and 1 by 2. So यहाँ पे 1 by 2 is multiplied by 2 by 2. We'll get as 2 by 4 and 1 is multiplied by 4 by 4. So we'll get as 4 by 4. So 2 by 4 और 4 by 4 के between में एक नंबर आता है जो 3 by 4. So the right answer is B, option 3 by 4. Next question number 10. Find the rational number in between 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. So यहाँ पे first explanation में अपन देख सकते हैं कि the average of two numbers यानी 1 by 2 और 1 by 4 का average लिए तो उसके जो है between का जो नंबर है वो नंबर आ जाता है 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 divided by 2. That is the average of 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 by taking LCM 4 ऊपर वैल्यू जो है 2 into 1 2 plus 1 3 3 by 4 और डिनोमिनेटर में 2 है यहाँ पे। So denominators are multiplied, तो 3 by 4 into 2 is 3 by 8. So the right answer is B. और एक देख सकते हैं आप यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल में 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. 1 by 4 छोटा नंबर है, स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर है उसलिए पहले लिखे हम, 1 by 2 ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर है उसलिए बाद में लिखे। So if both the numbers are multiplied to get the denominator equal to 8, 1 by 4 is multiplied by 2 by 2, so we'll get as 2 by 8 and 1 by 2 is multiplied by 4 by 4, so we'll get as 4 by 8. So 2 by 8 और 4 by 8 के दरमियान में बिटवीन में जो नंबर आता है वो नंबर है 3 by 8. So the right answer is B. Answer is B. Question number 11. Find the two rational numbers in between 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. 1 by 2 और 1 by 4 में smallest fraction is 1 by 4 and greatest fraction is 1 by 2. So you can see the answer by checking the answers. A 3 by 10, 7 by 20, B answer is 2 by 5 and 9 by 20 and C is 3 by 10 and 2 by 5. So we can see the denominator 20 is greatest in all these numbers. So by making 1 by 2 and 1 by 4 their denominators as 20. So 1 by 4 is multiplied by 5 by 5 to get the denominator 20 and 1 by 2 is multiplied by 10 by 10 to get the denominator 20. So the result of these two multiplicative numbers is 5 by 20 and 10 by 20. So 5 by 20 और 10 by 20 के बीच में there are so many numbers just like जो है 6 by 20 20, 7 by 20, 8 by 20 and 9 by 20. By simplification we will get 6 by 20 as 3 by 10 and 8 by 20 as 2 by 5. Those are final numbers are 3 by 10, 7 by 20 and 2 by 5 and 9 by 20. So all these numbers are present in A, B and C. So A as well as B as well as C. So the final answer is all the number are present in between 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. So the right answer is D. Question number 12. Find the rational number in between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. If you observe the given answers, the highest denominator is 12. So हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे 1 by 2 और 1 by 3 के denominators को equal to 12 करेंगे. So 1 by 2 is multiplied by 6 by 6 to get the denominator as 12 and 1 by 3 is multiplied by 4 by 4 to get the denominator as 12. So the final numbers are 6 by 12 and 4 by 12. So 4 by 12 और 6 by 12 के between में जो नंबर रहता है वो नंबर क्या है यहाँ पे 5 by 12. So the right answer is A. Question number 13. Find the rational number in between 2 by 3 and 1 by 4. As you know, the denominator, highest denominator in the options is 12. So we have to make 2 by 3 the denominator 12 and 1 by 4 the denominator 12. So for this purpose 2 by 3 is multiplied by 4 by 4 to get 8 by 12 and 1 by 4 is multiplied by 3 by 3 to get 3 by 12. So both are having denominators as 12. Now we can write the in between numbers in 3 by 12 and 8 by 12. So the numbers are 4 by 12, 5 by 12, 6 by 12 and 7 by 12. On simplification 4 by 12 will get as 1 by 3 and 6 by 12 will get as 1 by 2 dividing by 6. So the answers are 1 by 3, 5 by 12 and 1 by 2 as well as 7 by 12. So you can see all the numbers are present in option A, option B and option C. So we can say as the all answers are correct. So the D option all the answers are correct is the right answer. Question number 14. 3 by 8 is an example of whole numbers, integers, terminating decimal or non-terminating decimal. So as you know the denominator is 8 means it has the factors as 2 into 2 into 2. So a number, a fraction denominator contains 2 and 5, only 2 and 5 are, so these fractions are is said to be as terminating decimals. If these numbers containing other than 2 and 5, so the fractions are said to be as non-terminating decimals. अगर ये fraction के denominator में 2 और 5 अगर है present, only 2 and 5 है तो ये terminating decimal है. और अगर other than 2 and 5 यानी 2 और 5 को छोड़कर यानी 3, 7 like this numbers है तो ये क्या है non-terminating decimal है. So the right answer is a terminating decimal. Question number 15. 37 by 82 is an example of. Now in previous question हम लोग देख चुके हैं कि वो terminating decimal है. यहाँ पे 82 के अगर factors लिए हम तो 82 is nothing but 2 into 41. इसमें 2 है लेकिन 41 एक other than 2 and 5 number है. So this fraction is said to be as a non-terminating decimal. So the right answer is D. 3 by 2 into 5 is an example of. And 3 by 2 into 5. 2 into 5 if you multiply 2 into 5 will get as 3 by 10. So the value is 0.3. So 0.3 क्या यहाँ पे? It is a terminating decimal. It is a terminating decimal. As you know whole numbers क्या रहते हैं यहाँ पे 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 रहते हैं. ये decimal form में रहते हैं यहाँ पे. Integers also plus or minus numbers with 0 number. But 0.3 is terminating decimal. क्योंकि यहाँ पे आंसर जो terminate हो गया यहाँ पे 0.3 पे यहाँ पे close हो गया इसका आंसर. So it is said to be as terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal means so and so. If you divide by number, so the quotient will be continuous. आते रहता है continuation में रहता है. So that is a non-terminating decimal. So यहाँ पे the right answer is a terminating decimal. Question number 17. Value of 3 by 2 into 5. In previous question we have checked that the fraction is a terminating fraction, and in this one here is asking the value. So value is nothing but 0.3. So the right answer is A. In question number 18. Value of 36 by 2 square into 5 square. So on simplification 2 square is nothing but 4, 5 square is nothing but 25. So 4 into 25 we will get as 100. So 36 by 100. तो 36 by 100 को decimal form में लिखे तो we can write as 0.36. So you have to note that here in the denominator there are 2 zeros. So 2 zeros है तो यहाँ पे 36 के last number से यानी 6 से count करके अपन 6, 3. तो 3 से पहले क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे एक point लगाएंगे यहाँ पे. So the answer becomes as 0.36. So the right answer is C, 0.36. Question number 19. 2.6 bar की value we have to find the value of 2.6 bar. Rational number that equals to 2.6 bar. यानी यहाँ पे 2.6 bar को जो यहाँ पे fraction में अपन find out करना है. As you know the value of x if you take as 2.6 bar as x is equal to 2.666 dash. So यहाँ पे you have to note that 6 bar यानी यहाँ पे periodicity यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे 6 है, लिहाजा लिहाजा जो है यहाँ पे 6 पे एक बार है, लिहाजा we have to multiply it with 10. If we multiply it by this fraction 10, we will get as 10x is equal to 26.666 dash. इसके अंदर से जो है हम क्या करेंगे, तो फर्स्ट वैल्यू x is equal to 2.6 को सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे, so we'll get as 9x is equal to 24. यानी 26 में से 2 चले गया तो 24 और 10 में से 1 गया तो 9. So x is nothing but 24 by 9. By dividing numerator and denominator by 3, we'll get as 8 by 3. So the right answer is 8 by 3. Option B is the right answer. Question number 20, value of 0.23 bar. So यहाँ पे जो है इसको भी जो है p by q फॉर्म में अपने को x बीट करना है यहाँ पे. Let x is equal to 0.23 bar. So the value of x will becomes 0.2333 dash. So यहाँ पे सेकंड डिसिमल पे बार है, लिहाजा we have to multipy it with 100. फर्स्ट पे रहे तो 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हम, सेकंड पे लिहाजा जो है we have to multiply it with 100. So 100x is equal to 23.33 dash. So next the bar value is on the second decimal number, so we have to multiply with 10x. So the 10x becomes 2.333. So by subtracting 100x minus 10x, we will get as 90x. So 23.33 minus 2.33 we will get as 21. So x is nothing but 21 by 90. By dividing by 3 numerator and denominator, we will get as 7 by 30. So right answer is A option, 7 by 30. Next question is 21st question, the value of 0.9 bar. If you take x is equal to 0.9 bar, the value of x will become 0.99 dash. So here यहाँ पे 9 पे एक बार है, लिहाजा we have to take 10x. 10x is equal to 9.99 dash. After subtracting minus x, so we will get as 9x is equal to 9. X is equal to 9 by 9. By observing this question, we can say the other values like 0.2 bar, 0.3 bar, 0.4 bar. Hence means 0.2 bar is nothing but 2 by 9 and 0.3 bar is nothing but 3 by 9 and 0.4 bar is nothing but 4 by 9. So यहाँ पे सिंगल डिजिट नंबर में यहाँ पे हम जो है हम लोग फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, यानी 0.1 बार से लेकर 0.9 बार तक जो नंबर लेते हैं वो सेम विल गेट एज 1 by 9, 2 लिए तो 2 by 9, 3 लिए तो 3 by 9, 4 लिए तो 4 by 9, like this. We can find all these numbers as in fractions. So the right answer is B, 9 by 9. Question number 22, find the value of 9 minus 0.9 bar. As you know, in previous question we have already learnt about 0.9 bar. So 0.9 bar is nothing but 9 by 9. 9 minus 9 by 9, that is equal to 9 minus 1, that is the right answer is 8, which present in the option B. So the right answer is B. Question number 23, find the value of 0.23 bar. Let x is equal to 0.23 bar. So we can write as x is equal to 0.2323 like this. So here the bar is under the two numbers 2 and 3. So we have to take 100x. 100x is equal to 23.23 dash. So by subtracting x from 100x, we will get as 99x. So from 23.2323, we have if we subtract 0.2323, we will get as 23. So 99x is nothing but 23. X is equal to 23 by 99. So like this, if there are two digit decimal numbers, we can write the other value. 0.24 bar is nothing but 24 by 99. 0.56 bar is nothing but 556 by 99. So इस तरह से हम यहाँ पे दो डिजिट नंबर्स के बार के वैल्यूज को जो है इजीली अपन फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे. So in this question 0.23 is nothing but 0.23 bar is nothing but 23 by 99. So the right answer is D. Question number 24, prime factorization of 729. 729, if you find the factors of 729, it divides with 3, completely divisible with 3. So on dividing 729 by 3, we will get as 243. If 243 is divided by 3, we will get as 81, and 81 is divided by 3, we will get as 27, and 27 if you divide by 3, we will get as 9, and 9 is the, the multiple of 3 and 3. So here you can see the factors of 729. So here are how many 3's are there in, so 6 3's are there. So the right answer is 3 to the power of 6, which is the answer A. Question number 25, prime factorization of 1024. If we make factorize the 1024, you see on the screen complete factorization method is given here. So if you count the 2's, you can say as 2 to the power of 10, that is the factors of 1024. So the right answer is D, 2 to the power of 10. Yani 1024 is equal to 2 to the power of 10. Question number 26, prime factorization of 144. Prime factorization of 144. As you can observe on the screen, 144 is divided by 2, we will get as 72. 72 divided by 2, we will get as 36, and 36 is divided by 2, we will get as 18, and 18 is divided by 2, we will get as 9. The 9 is the multiple of 3 and 3. So by taking these all factors, 144 is equal to 2 to the power of 4 into 3 to the power of 2. So the right answer is A, 2 to the power of 4 and 3 to the power of 2.